Use of air conditioning. Air conditioners have justifiably been included in our daily lives as necessary household appliances, mainly in order to deal with high temperatures during the summer months, but also the cold in winter, especially as the solution of oil heating is often more expensive. There are a wide variety of types of air conditioners on the market. If we had to divide them in some basic categories, then we will see: first, air conditioner from home; second, from business; third, specialized categories such as portable and multi-split air conditioner. Each type of air conditioner has advantages and disadvantages and several subcategories that meet different needs. Heat pumps are one of the most ecological and economical heating solutions. Most of the energy from the operation of a heat pump comes from the environment, free of charge, while the rest is electricity from the grid. There are heated pumps for cooling only, heating only, and cooling heating. Pumps can be electric heat pumps, gas heat pumps, inverter, variable power depending on demand, on-off, constant power which is continuously fed into an inertia tank. Once this tank is heated or cooled, they go out of service until they are demanded again. Heat pumps have a very good degree of efficiency. The degree of efficiency of a heat pump is defined as the ratio of the energy it returns to the energy it is currently consuming. For example, if a heat pump delivers 16 kW of heat but consumes 4 kW of electricity, it has an efficiency of 4. Thank you.